Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate 3 different types of plank exercises. For those of you who have back pain, the plank exercise is also important. You not only attend to the back when you have back pain, but also the abdominal muscles. So the first one is the standard plank exercise, where you go down on your belly, support yourself with the forearms, and you make a plank with the body. This will engage the abdominal muscles. Hold for the required amount of repetitions, the required amount of time, as demonstrated by the therapist, and you come back down. Your side plank, which will target the oblique muscles. Notice the elbow is directly below the shoulder. It is not away from the shoulder like this. Having the arm in this position or this position will cause shoulder injury. Body is straight out this way, and you're using these muscles here. Hold yourself in a side plank, or for repetitions, you can either do 5 or 10, depending on what the therapist has directed you to do. So it can be a dynamic movement like you see here, or it can also be an isometric movement where you hold for time as opposed to repetitions. Of course, when you finish, switch over and do the other side. And you have the reverse plank. Put your foot up on a chair or table, hands on the tummy, and now you lift. You can either hold for time or perform repetitions. Of course, as you get stronger, you can add a weight to the movement, hold for time, or do for repetitions. Always aim to improve, either perform more repetitions, use more weight, or hold for longer periods of time, or a combination of repetitions, weight, and time.